Week 6, EDAD 614 for the facility inspection tool. The general appearance of the hallways is good. Too many ants, but that's that campus. Classrooms are really well organized, good posters. I think the teachers do a good job with supplies in the class. My personal portable has rusty ramp handles, and I asked to fix it, and they said it's a janitor's job, and there's still rust. It's gross. The restrooms, the janitors clean them really well, so they're well maintained. The locker rooms are just portable, but that seems to work. Lounge has enough items like mail slots and copy machines and places to eat, but no couch. Front office is just a small portable. It's clean, has lots of student projects on the wall, etc. I would pick that it looks nice from the street. It's a pretty new campus, but the overhang or the part that protects the lunch tables do not protect the kids from the rain recently. We should fix that. I need a repair. This site was built on an asbestos site. That should be repaired. Any safety concerns to please remove rust from the handrails? But there is a gate, and that keeps intruders out. The gate's really nice. So when you talk to the custodian, the biggest challenge is definitely the wind. They do try to keep up with the trash, but there's just so much of it. When it's outside and windy, it's hard. Custodial staff, they're hired and they're allocated an area and then resources, and they work hard. That I agree. I see them out there. Support the cleanliness and maintenance. We both thought it'd be nice if the kids could eat inside. The trash doesn't blow anywhere. That'd be good. And then I learned that the site is on an asbestos area. We can't dig a garden there, so that would be sad. The janitor couldn't help us with that. We also have a massive ant problem. They even get into the fridge. Those ants are crazy at that campus. That's something we can work on with janitors.